Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to increase phone sleep time. Friends, your phone just sleep second and minute. So how to increase guys phone sleep time on oppo phone device? Today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see how to increase phone sleep time. Open your phone setting to increase guys your phone sleep time. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface on your oppo phone device. So when how to increase a phone sleep time? Friends, you can increase from your search option guys, search here guys auto setting, and friends click on auto screen setting. So friends, you can see auto screen guys, tap here. Direct friends, you can increase your phone sleep time according to yourself. 30 second, 1 minute, 2, 5, 10, and guys last guy we have 30 minute. So friends, you want your 30 minute, so I tap here, and friends now you can wait 15 second. Your phone will not sleep on just a minute second. After 30 second friends, if you do not tap after 30 second, automatic friends your phone will sleep. So like the guy, we can increase a phone sleep time, and friends you can increase from your phone display brightness also. Friends, click on display brightness, and friends click on guys your display brightness setting. Auto skin friends you can find here, and you can increase according to yourself. So I will increase into only 2 minutes, and then I will increase into guys only 5 minutes. So friends, I will not tap for 5 minutes, so I automatic my phone will sleep. And if you after 15 seconds friends, your phone will not sleep. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to increase phone sleep time on oppo phone device. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video.